Viewers, this is your host Yogesh Vats from channel Trade and Grow. You are on the page of channel Trade and Grow. As you know, I make weekly videos for those who are not consistent in their trading. They do not have sufficient time to trade in intraday. That is why I make this weekly video for positional traders. In this video, I will discuss about last week my predictions, whatever the predictions I gave last week in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and how the price reacted on these predictions, how you had to take your decision to take entry and exit on the price action which we saw last week. Before this, I would like to tell something about this channel. This channel gives the opportunity for the trader to be easy in their trading by giving the daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty on this community tab. Here you will get my daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, where I predict all movement of the market and the perfect marking which you have been watching for last 2 years, along with the trade ideas. You will get all these information on this community tab. For this, you will have to join this channel from this button. If you want to know more about the membership, then this is the tab from where you can get all the information regarding the membership. Now let us discuss about the last week predictions. Let me show you the clip of last week prediction so that you can recall whatever I said, and then I will discuss all these on the chart. Now let us discuss about the next week. What is going to happen in this index next week? Please listen it carefully. For this, I have to remove the previous lines so that there should not be any confusion regarding the levels. Now, these are the levels which you have to use for the next week trading. What you have to understand in these levels, see, basically the range would be this. This would be the expiry range, right? But there are some conditions for this expiry range. If the conditions get violated, then the range will change. It might shift to this range, right? So basically the range would be first range which I marked, but on certain condition it would change to this range. How it will change, that I discuss with you, and you have to keep that points in your mind. Better you write in your notebook so that whenever the price action matches with this information, then you can use that information in your trading. This is the level you have to watch. If this level is not taken out or it is not crossed with the momentum to downside, you will not think about this limit. You will think about this limit only when it is taken out on the 1 hour time frame. If the price breaches this level on the 1 hour time frame and it gives you this sort of action, that is called taken out action, like this, then this level will be violated, right? Until this action is not seen, don't think that this level is going to be violated. Yes, it can break, it can breach like this, but it would recover in next 1 to 2 hours to upside in the same range. So you heard the clip and you heard my predictions regarding Nifty. You can see the chart of Nifty, that is a weekly chart with the current price action. This is the weekly candle. Just remember, I clearly mentioned in my first line of my predictions that this would be your expiry range. Don't you feel that the price expired in the same range. I told the second part of this price action clearly that price can break it on 1 hour chart, but it would come in the same territory. Let us see the same price action on the chart on the 1 hour time frame so that you can also see the depth of the prediction which I gave regarding the 1 hour time frame to make your trading easy, because my motive is to make your trading easy. You see, this is the 1 hour chart, and if you see the price broke it, and the action which I talked about it would recover in the same range, then this level is intact. Same thing happened, right? I talked about this action, and the same action you are seeing on the 1 hour time frame. After that, what happened? The price moved to the upside. So how you had to trade? Say basically the week starts from this candle, and this is the one Monday trading, right? On Tuesday the price broke it and recovered in the same candle, which I always talk about, right? And whenever this sort of action you saw, it means it was the clear signal that this level is going to work for next 2-3 days till expiry. And same thing happened. The price came down and tested it, but it could not cross it again, right? So whenever the price went inside the range which I talked about, it means here is the time you have to take your position by keeping the selling of this PE. Naturally, this would be the right strike price to sell your PE, because I made the range and price slightly distorted it to this level. So whenever this sort of information came, your first task was to sell your P of this strike price, right? And whenever the price in next 2 days reaches at that point, right, that is, it means that you have created lot of profit in this movement in next 2 days, and you have to book your profit at this point, right? Now just see the information. The information here is, this is a gravestone doji, right, that is appeared in the uptrend. Basically the gravestone doji can appear in downtrend also and uptrend also. So that is the information that price might come to downside. So this is the real time where you have to book your profit. Or if you had waited for the Thursday expiry also, then the price expired at this point of time. It means it expired in your range. Had you not booked your profit, the expiry was in the range. It means you had booked your profit at this premium also and of this premium also, because I talked about to make strangle. Whenever the information came, it means this is the point where you have to sell your PE, and this is the level where you have to sell your C, and this is the level where you have to sell your P. Sorry. Now this is how you had to trade according to the information which I shared with you, and the price action is corroborating the same thing on the chart. That is how the predictions went last week. Now let us discuss about the next week, what is going to happen in this index next week, and how you have to trade in the same index with my information which I am providing to you. See, all halts are same except the upper one, because I shifted this all little bit 100 points more to upside. Now you all must be wondering that the price in the Dow Jones is minus 1000 point and the XJ Nifty is more than 200 points down. It means many of you will think that the price has now changed its direction to downside, because the information which you got from the Dow Jones and SX Nifty indicates in that direction, right? But what I feel is that that is not the change of direction. The direction has already been changed from this point to downside, right? It may possible that the opening would shake you, but I don't feel personally that you will see a great fall. That I don't see, right? You might see the gap down opening on Monday, but what I feel is that in XGX Nifty, when the trading will start around 6:40 in morning on Monday, what will happen, what I think is that some coverage would be seen in the 200 points. So it may reduce to some 50 points or some 80 points, right? On Wednesday, on Monday, 2 to 3 hours trading from 6:40 to 9 a.m. So what I feel is that there should be definitely some recovery on the points. Rest market will tell. Now I made the same marking. How you have to use this marking? See, last time I also told you this is the critical point where you have to keep an eye, and same point did not let the price go down, and it held the price to upsides, right? Same level you have to watch next week. If this level is taken out on the 1 hour time frame to downside, right, then this would be your lower limit. On the contrary, if the price moves to upside on Monday, Tuesday, right, what will happen? I think personally my view is that your expiry would be in this range, right? If the price moves Monday, Tuesday on upside, then this is your level which you have to sell. Keep the buffer of 100 points to downside and sell this level of PE, and your target would be this level. Price would remain in this range for the next week of expiry. It is not likely to be the price remain in this range. Yes, it was expired last week in this range, but next week it would expire in this range. So keep these things in your mind. If the price moves to downside on the 1 hour time frame with the some follow up, then this is the level which you have to see. If the price take support on this level, it means your range would be this, right? This range would come only when this condition will fulfill. Otherwise, that is your ultimate range. So this is about the Nifty. Let us discuss about the Bank Nifty. What are the predictions for the Bank Nifty that I'll discuss with you? Before that, you see my last week predictions in Bank Nifty, and then I will see and match all these predictions with the current move. Please see the clip carefully so that every point should remember in your memory. What is going to happen next week? For this, I will have to erase the last week lines so that you can understand it better. Are the points which you have to keep in your mind. See, I made 4 halts. There is no zone this time. I made 4 halts. It means either I'm expecting the expiry between this level, right, or between this level and between this level. It means in this case there are 3 possibilities of expiry. How you have to use these possibilities, let us discuss about that. This is the level which you have to see in trading on Monday and Tuesday. If this level is intact, the price does not cross this level, or it crosses this level slightly to downside and then recovers in next 1 to 2 hours to upside in the same range, then this is a signal that the price might expire between this limit or between this limit, right? Now how will you decide the upper limit? In this case, the lower limit is decided by this action. This action is if the price either remains above this level or it crosses this level and it recovers in next 2-3 hours to upside, then this is a signal that the price is going to expire between this limit or this limit. So that lower limit is in front of you, but you cannot take the position after seeing this price action, because you have to wait for the next day opening. If this thing happens on the Monday, then you have to wait for the Tuesday opening. If the Tuesday opening is above this level, right, and it comes to this point, it means this is the confirmation that this level is going to stay. You can sell the CE of this level, PE of this level, and upper limit we have to see whether this will work or this will work. That depends upon the price action, if the price comes to this level and takes out this level on the 1 hour time frame to the upside, then this limit is going to work, right? But if does not take out or does not fulfill this condition of 1 hour to upside and price comes down in the same region, the same range, then this range is going to work. That you have to keep in your mind. As you heard in the clip, that price would expire in this range. What I talked about, first I talked about this range, then I talked about this one, right? So you can see the same thing happened. The price expired in this range, exactly in this range, and you see the price action. The price came down from this level and recovered it to the upside in the same range that I discussed with you. Since this is the weekly candle, so you cannot see the recovery of this journey of price from this level to this level in weekly time frame. So I'll convert it on the 1 hour time frame where things will be more clear about the recovery. Now let us discuss about the price action. If you see, the week started from this candle. The whole day, whole Monday, the price remained downside below this level, right? But as I told you clearly that either on Monday or Tuesday, if price recovers in this range, then this level is going to work. And you can see the whole week price remained above from this level. This, after recovering from this candle to upside, the price could not even touch it. That is the depth every time I share with you. My videos are full of this sort of predictions. You just need to understand my predictions in price action. Then you can be benefited most from this information. So what you had to do in this case, as you know that sir has already told that price might recover either on Monday or Tuesday in this territory, right? So you have to see the price action on Tuesday. When you saw this very first candle, it gives you the hope that price might recover to the upside. So you will have to wait and see the price action. And after waiting for 3 hours, the price recovered to upside. When this sort of thing came, it means price has made support of this level, right? And it recovered on Tuesday, right? Whenever this sort of information came, your first task is to sell your PE of this level. As I gave you this level, this time don't take this level, take this level C, sell this level of PE, and I have given you the upper limit, and upper limit is already there. This is your upper limit that I have already given you. It means you have to sell C of this level. This way you would make strangle, and the premium, this is the trading of the Thursday, and the price expired in this range, giving you the premium of both side eating, right? This is how you have to use my information and make profit from the precise information. Now let us discuss about the next week. What is going to happen in this index next week? You can see I have not changed anything in this index. Every line is same as I given last week. How you have to use these lines, let us discuss about that. What I feel is that price might expire in this range. Okay, this range will come only when this range will come. See, if the price does not break this level, if this level is not broken by price, then this range would come, right? It means you have to wait till Tuesday. If this level is not broken by price, then it is a signal that you have to sell PE of this level, and you have to sell CE of this level, right? But you take this decision on Tuesday. Every time I tell you, leave Monday to understand the price action and take decision on Tuesday. And whatever the decision you will take on Tuesday, that will help you in your profits. So this is how you have to see. as already we know that there should be a gap down opening, so let the price come to this level on Monday or Tuesday. Whenever the price comes to this level and it does not cross this level, it is a clear indication that this level is going to work, and you will see a recovery from this level to upside. This is how you have to use this information next week. I will meet you next week with new information. Till then, take care and goodbye.